after doing the internals of the canopy, putting new walls in, the Voyager, the battery, making it all look flash, thought I'd go and match that with a new fridge. So this is Dometic's new NRX 80. So this is replacing the CRX range. I've partnered up with Caravan RV Camping and Dometic for this. So basically what this video is going to be is just a specs video, dimensions, how I'm mounting it in mine, how you can mount it, just a bit of an install really. So all the good stuff you need to know before you go out and get yours. But I've been keen to put this in for about 2 weeks now, so it's about time we did it. Let's crack on. Okay, first things first, picking where it's going. I've been dwelling on this for the last 2 weeks, just thinking, should I go up the front, should I go up the back, go in the middle? But I'm pretty sure I'm sold on going right here. So I'm gonna line it up with this divider I've got. Pull-out pantry is gonna go to the right of the fridge, and drawers with a table on the left side. I think that's the most efficient way I've got, and I kind of like how that plays out. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be chucking this beast in. So basically I went and got this. I drew this up in CAD, took it to my local laser shop. They cut it out and folded it up for me. Fridge sits in here. This goes on top of the fridge and I just strap it down. Easy, I can move it, take the fridge out whenever I want. And it actually looks pretty tidy when I take the sticker off. So 3mm alloy, just strap it down. Drill this through the bottom into the floor and we're sorted. So let's do that. All right, so that's how I'm mounting it, which is one way to do it. It's just a simple way, nice and cheap. So that metal that actually got cut out and folded, that only cost me 80 bucks. So if you're able to draw on CAD and draw your own drawings, that's where most of the cost comes with laser. So just draw it up yourself, get them to do it, 80 bucks, and I've got a full fridge mount for the NRX. Before we chuck it in, we'll do a little fridge run through, eh? First thing you notice is the new look. So they've gone with the titanium or gunmetal grey look, whatever you call it. But I think this looks sleek as. It's gonna suit the car, suit the canopy. So I really love the look of this. Next thing, you got your door handle, which I bet you didn't even notice was there. So you got a little lock under here that you can slide and then it doesn't go, and then you can slide back and then you open it up. So that's just for when you reverse the fridge door. And to change the fridge door, you've got 3 bolts or nuts on top. You just take them out, slide the arm into the left side, and then you just open it up that way. Super easy. So if we open it up, first thing I noticed is the big latches. So we had a couple problems with the last fridge that they'd hit a bump when we're going over in the Caravan. The door would just fling open, lose everything. Floor would be covered in oil and tomato sauce and whatever. But good thing about this, they lock and that's sturdy as. So I really like that. But inside we've got the shelves on the inner. So you got little bottle savers in here. So that's just to prevent your bottles from clanging around, which I like. You can fit some cans in here. You got little crispers down the bottom, removable freezer. So removable freezer, the reason you have this is you can actually turn this whole fridge into a freezer. So it can either operate as a full fridge or full freezer, or you can have a fridge and freezer at the same time. So it's a 3-in-1 fridge. If we have a look at the back, we've got our compressor on top and we have our power cable. So that's just a twin core power cable. I'm gonna chuck an Anderson plug on that. I don't have to fuse it because I've got one on the switch, but the manual recommends chuck it in a 15-amp fuse for this. So let's go and get it in. All right, now the most satisfying bit. Ah, don't you hate that? Come off in 1 minute. Lovely. I know that the feet slide in a certain spot, so I'm just gonna dot out 3 points where I think my screw should go. Fridge sits up a little bit, so I'm not too worried. I'll do 2 for now and then check how it fits, and we'll do the rest. Look at that. Don't mind that at all. Looks pretty flash, eh? So yeah, lined it up with that back divider. Pull out pantry will come here, drawers in there, and the Voyager. I reckon that looks nice. I reckon we can keep going, get it all done, get it sorted, and then get it going, get some beers in there. Beautiful. It's not going anywhere. Moment of truth. Fridge on. There we go. So now that we're on, we can go through these settings. There's a little touch panel setting compared to the dials that most of them had. You got your power button up the top. You got your temperature here. So you got cold to coldest. You have your compressor on light. This is just to change your settings. So you've got, right now it's on full freezer. This is on performance mode, silent mode, and eco mode. So what we're going to do, we'll change that to eco. Just let it run. All right, if we come over to the submarine, we'll have a little look at what's going on. So you can see the fridge is pulling 3.2. That's just getting it down to cold because there's nothing in it at the moment. So that's just running an empty freezer. Let's see if it changes. Let's go performance mode, full freezer. 4.7. So that's a warm fridge running 4.7, trying to get it to freezer mode, which that's pretty good. Once it gets cold, obviously it's going to run way less. But that's not too bad. I kind of like that. All right, so this is what it looks like with a bit of stuff in it. Got the essentials. Just threw some stuff from the main fridge in. Really, 75 litre fridge with a 6.6 freezer in it. More than enough for a weekend or even a week away. Beautiful. Actually, might take one. How good does that look? Fridge is in, canopy is nearly finished. All we got to do is the pantry and the drawers, and then I'll be more than happy. But massive thank you to Caravan RV Camping and Dometic for the help. The after sales support they had was unreal. Super smooth process getting this in. Not really much else for me to do now, except for go camping and test it out. So see you out there.